Hi, and welcome to our SD Roads to Jobs Construction Career Awareness session. My name is Lauren, and I will be your presenter. Today, we are going to be talking about how you can build your career in construction. This is something that is important for you to know. Construction workers provide an invaluable economic service, maintaining and improving the nation's infrastructure, including critically important energy and communication systems, roads and bridges, and social infrastructure, including police, fire, and healthcare facilities. The highway construction industry is ranked year after year as one of the best jobs by the U.S. News and World Report. We are excited to share with you an overview of the career opportunities available in the construction industry and the high demand for workers like you. We appreciate you joining us today. Good paying careers are available right now. Throughout this session, we are going to cover the following items: open positions in the construction industry, employment expectations by contractors and future employers, safety, which is a #1 priority, various training programs, and on-the-job expectations. So you have an idea of what you'll maybe need to know prior to going on the site and what those employers will expect of you once you are working for them. Again, good jobs are available right now. New funding boosts demand for skilled and unskilled workers, meaning no matter where you are at in terms of education level or experience level, there's likely a position for you available. Over 700 open positions are available in South Dakota alone. And the need for workers is in high demand, and that demand is expected to grow 5% in the next 10 years, which means job security. The road construction industry is offering you the opportunity of a lifetime, a lifelong career that provides you with great pay, great benefits, and steady work. Think of this as more than just a job. It is a career. Something that separates the construction industry from maybe another entry-level job is that the salaries and benefits are generous. Pay is above average with good benefits as you progress. There are a lot of entry-level jobs that don't even offer benefits. And in 2019, the median pay of a variety of jobs in the construction industry was around $17.31 per hour. Again, we'd like you to think of this as more of a career, not just a job. It's an opportunity to truly build a future. Work hard, move up, and enjoy the life you want. There is no experience necessary in a variety of these positions. And it's a great opportunity to gain helpful skills. These skills will help you not only in the workplace, but also in day-to-day life. This is an opportunity to build something meaningful. You can point with pride at what you've built. You can work in different parts of the state or the country, so near or away, each job is an adventure, and escape the office environment. You get to work outside and enjoy your day. You're not just sitting behind a computer all day, and you actually get to see the product of what you've created with your hands every single day. Think about the roads you drive on. Think about the bridges that you have to cross. This is something that you could be a part of. The various career opportunities within the construction industry are as follows. So again, there's those entry-level positions, things such as a general laborer, a flagger, a parts runner, a truck driver with or without a CDL, and a CDL is a commercial driver's license. This is something that a lot of companies will pay for when it comes to training because they really do need more and more CDL drivers. And a foreman. Advanced positions include welders, heavy equipment operators, concrete finishers, crane operators, and specialized vehicle drivers/operators. So here are some exciting statistics about average salary information. As a laborer or as an entry-level position, you could earn an average salary of around $29,000 per year. As an equipment operator, you could even be earning an average salary of around $47,000 per year. Carpenters earn an average salary of $45,000 per year. Cement masons and concrete finishers earn an average salary of around $40,000 per year. And construction managers can earn an average salary of around $91,000 per year. And remember, this industry allows for growth and advancement. Anyone starting off as a laborer could realistically work their way up to a construction manager and earn that salary. Many companies offer benefits for employees and returning employees. This means health insurance, paid time off, and 401ks or retirement accounts are typical. So the big question is, do you have what it takes? Generally, there are no specific educational requirements for an entry-level position in the highway construction industry. But some things to know are that you should be comfortable working with tools and be physically able to do the work. Some heavy lifting might be required. Many opportunities are available from office support to pilot car drivers to hands-on labor. Become familiar with the type of work you are most interested in. If you're unsure about the position, ask the Human Resources Department and ask the contractors. Say, hey, I might not physically be able to do this type of work, but do you have other positions that you see I may be a good fit for? Maybe I will need to do something more with office support, or maybe you will be physically able to do that work or work yourself up to be able to physically do that work. There are a lot of opportunities. Some typical job requirements include, first and foremost, a good attitude. Second, willing to do the work and show up on time. Again, it can be physically demanding and there can be long days. But as long as you're willing to show up and do the work, this may be a great fit for you. Something else that's really important is access to reliable transportation and willingness to travel. You might have projects that you are working on that are further away from the city or town that you live in. So a willingness to be able to travel to those locations is important, and some contractors will help arrange that travel. If you're unsure about reliable transportation, take a look at some resources within your town. Again, it's important that you're physically able to do the work. Next is an ability to communicate. It's important that you are able to reach either on your cell phone, by email, or through voicemail. We often see that it's difficult for human resources or the contractors to get a hold of employees because maybe their voicemails are full or maybe they're not even set up yet. Double check your settings, see that your voicemail is open, and make sure that you are responsive if people are trying to reach out to you. And then finally, being able to pass a drug test. Again, safety is very important in this industry, and it's imperative that you're able to pass a drug test. So let's go over safety expectations. The construction industry is very focused on this, and many companies will provide that training to ensure that you are safe and others around you are being safe as well. This includes OSHA training and other various forms. In addition to training, they can provide clothing and safety vests, hard hats, foot protection, hand protection, eye/face protection, and hearing protection. So don't worry about having this before you apply to these positions or before you're on the job site. A lot of times this will be supplied to you. We mentioned earlier some training opportunities. So various forms of this can include youth apprenticeship programs, construction career camps, adult apprenticeship programs, on-the-job training, CDL or that commercial driver's license. Again, there's a very high demand for people who are willing and able to have a CDL, so we very much encourage it. Ask the potential employer, hey, Do you guys have programs that might help me get my CDL? This is a goal of mine. It might make you a very attractive potential employee to them. Then there's certificate programs, technical college degrees, and college degrees. And a lot of times scholarships are available for students pursuing an education in the construction industry. So here are some typical job expectations. These will be good for you to know if you are really interested in pursuing a career in this industry. The days can range between 8 to 12 hours. Sometimes you might be working sun up to sundown, making sure that that work is getting done. With this, there are a lot of opportunities for overtime. This means more money for you to take home. You will be working outdoors. Again, there may be travel required or expected to various job sites. You will often be working either independently or as part of a team. Very important to be on time and dependable for your employers. And you must be flexible with those job locations. And an added bonus, get a workout and a tan while you're working. A clip for you from Troy Jensen. He's working at Merlin Roy's in Sioux Falls. He gives you some real-world first-hand experience and knowledge about what it's like day to day and the advancement opportunities.
Troy Jensen. I work at Merlin Roy's Paving and I'm a foreman and have been here 23 years. I've known some people that were in the industry and they said they really liked doing it and they enjoyed all this stuff while being outside and enjoying the weather and meeting people and stuff, so I thought I'd try it. Didn't know if it was going to be a full career, but 23 years later, I'm still doing it. When I first started, everybody kind of starts out as a laborer. They never worked around it or anything like that. And kind of just gradually over years and years worked my way up and become a foreman and been that for 15 years. You're out here 12 hours a day with the same group of guys or girls, and you got to get along, you got to work together. It makes the day go way fast. I mean, you would never guess out here doing this that it's a 12-hour day. By the end of the day, most of the time it goes really fast compared to like if you're in some other kind of line of work where you sit and do the same repetitious thing and you're always doing something different, going to a different place. Everything's always different. One thing nice about construction, you don't have to go to the gym and you get a free tan.
Awesome. So where can you find a job in construction? It's important to think about your resources. You can find them by referrals or word of mouth, by networking. Again, take a look at your resources, people you may know, the Department of Labor, employment agencies, various contractor websites. So if you're able to Google different contractors, you can find contractors in your area or contractors in the state, or you can go to the Department of Labor, use their computer resources to find those various contractors, career resource centers in and around your town or city, high schools and colleges, social media, newspapers, and radio advertisements. Jobs are everywhere. You may just have to look a little bit harder. So if you're in, let's take a look at how you can apply. This might mean creating a resume. Resumes will include employment information and past experience. It's important to note that you can put down any type of past experience that's paid or volunteer, and then educational experiences, skills or certifications. With skills and certifications, even if you feel that it might not directly relate to construction, it's still important to put it down. Oftentimes, employers are able to draw connections or see how it could still be a good fit, or you could still have learned many important things that would relate to construction. Contact information. This is always very important and sometimes can actually be easily missed. Double check your phone number, double check your email, and again, make sure that you're able to receive messages. And then references. References are professionals or close friends or past coworkers, anyone that you feel could speak to you being a reliable worker or you being a hard worker, anything that might make you a little bit more attractive to these potential employers and show that you are interested and willing to do the work. Again, the construction industry is looking for you to fill in-demand positions. So ask yourselves these questions. Are you willing to work hard? Are you looking to build a career, not just a job? Are you willing to show up on time and be dependable? And are you ready to earn a good income? If so, then this is the career for you. We need you to fill jobs in South Dakota. Remember, there are over 700 positions available. So the next steps are, number one, have your updated resume ready. If you don't have one, we can help you prepare one. You may visit our website, or maybe you're already on our website, www.sdroads2jobs.com. From there are many different resources, and there's a contact button that you can reach out to us with. And then number two, meet with contractors, meet with those potential employers, look for referrals, word of mouth, job advertisements, get your name and your resume out there to start working and build your career. So from all of us at SD Roads to Jobs, thank you and good luck.